Hi there. This is Saurav once again. So today I'm going to talk about altcoins. So you should know about altcoins and how and when you should invest in altcoins. So let's begin. Let's dive into my slides. There you go. Safe harbor. Let's talk about altcoins now. So what are altcoins? So altcoins are alternative cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. So obviously, these altcoins came into existence after Bitcoins came into existence in 2009 when this elusive individual Satoshi Nakamoto launched Bitcoins. Now, as of March of 2021, there are about 9,000 cryptocurrencies. And the total market cap of all the cryptocurrencies put together, as per the CNBC report of yesterday, is actually $2 trillion, of which Bitcoin accounts for 50% of the market cap. Now, Bitcoin, which is obviously not a part of altcoin, has really driven this market cap of cryptocurrencies. And recently, especially recently, due to the interest shown by institutional investors like Tesla and Square. And all of you would have read about this in the news lately. So Elon Musk went and bought a lot of Bitcoins. Right. Okay, cool. So now let's try and evaluate or understand the different types of altcoins. So the first kind of altcoins are the mining-based altcoins. They're very similar to Bitcoins and even the best altcoin as on today, Ethereum. So essentially, they try and solve a problem or unlock a block. So as you mine, you are trying to unlock a problem, and hence you actually generate new coins. So that's the basic methodology behind developing behind the development of Bitcoin and also Ethereum. Stable coins are essentially coins that are tagged to well-known currencies like US dollars, euro, and also commodities like gold. So when you tag them to the stable currencies, the chances of volatility reduces. And hence, stable coins attempts to tag with the government-supported currencies. So Facebook has been researching and talking about a stable currency called Libra, which they have recently renamed as DM. And they have not launched the stable coin yet. But please do look out for DM. The third kind of altcoin is the security tokens. So they resemble like normal stocks. They are launched like how IPOs are launched. They're launched as ICOs, initial coin offerings. And they also offer dividends or some sort of payouts. Utility coins, the fourth type, which are usually sold as a part of the ICO. Like if you remember, if you've read about it, Filecoins, which was developed by Protocol Labs, which were exchangeable for decentralized file storage space. So they essentially provide a claim on a service. So these are broadly the four types of altcoins. Now let's talk about the top three as on today, just now. The first one, of course, it's very difficult to actually predict which are the top three altcoins because they move up and down and their market cap moves as well. But just like stocks. But in my opinion, these are the first or the top three altcoins which are currently being traded in different crypto markets. The first one is obviously Ethereum. Well, Ethereum is essentially a smart contract. So it's a decentralized software platform that enables decentralized applications to be built and run without any downtime or fraud or control or any interference by a third party. So essentially, it's the blockchain behind Ethereum is Ether and is seen as a key platform for that so-called decentralized finance when there are no authorities or third parties who are interfering and there is no downtown, no fraud. And it's actually non-fungible tokens, so that means they are secure and they come with a unique ID or code, and hence they can't be duplicated. Hence and therefore they are very secure. And Ethereum is, if you know, is very easy for developers to integrate with any other application, and hence Ethereum prices have been going up almost regularly, and it's by far the best altcoin today. The second altcoin, which is also doing well, is Binance Coin. So essentially, it's traded on the on a stock exchange or a cryptocurrency exchange called Binance Cryptocurrency called Binance. And this altcoin was launched in 2018 and today facilitates about 1.4 million transactions per second. And the users of this coin, they receive a discount in transaction fee on the exchange as an incentive. So you can also exchange Binance coins for Bitcoins or Ethereum or Litecoins, and it's really one of the second top altcoin today on any of the exchanges where it's being traded, especially the Binance exchange. And the third is the XRP. So now XRP is an altcoin which has been developed by Ripple Lab. So you would have heard of Ripple. So Ripple is a payment company. So XRP is essentially a digital asset built primarily for payments, and its native digital asset rests on the XRP ledger, which is an open source, permissionless, decentralized blockchain technology. And it can be the XRP can be sent directly without needing a central intermediary, making it a convenient instrument to bridge between two currencies quickly and efficiently. So essentially, this coin is used for payments, and Ripple Lab has been working really hard on developing this technology, this particular digital asset, and there's a lot of acceptance in the market as on today. So when I was looking at the market figures, if you go by the leading altcoins today after Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, XRP, and then there's Tether, and there are a few more that you can talk about. But really, Ethereum, Binance, and XRP are the top three as on now, just now, when I'm actually talking and recording this particular tutorial. So that's what I want to talk to you about, so that you can go and do your own research and you make sure that the money that you put in or invest in altcoins actually reap good benefits and returns to you. So I will sign out. So as you know, my name is Saurabh Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I will leave behind my LinkedIn URL in the description down below. Please go to my profile and connect with me. You can get a copy of this tutorial if you fill up a form and I would send that out on an email. And in that same form, if you're looking to engage me as a consultant for your company or startup, please tick yes, and I'll reach out to you, and we'll have a conference call very soon. So that's it, guys. Please like and subscribe to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries, feel free to reach out to me, share this video. And if you have any of your other business partners you're looking to have engage a consultant in the business technology marketing space, they can reach out to me. And I will see you soon with another tutorial which should be useful to you. I hope all of you guys are liking my tutorials. So see you soon. Take care. Bye.